So this is a pretty tough video for me to make, but yeah, it's true. The Evo, it's gone. Sold it. But I'm going to explain to you here in a moment why I did it. It's probably not for the reasons why you would think. Stay tuned. What's up everybody, Original Dobo, welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. Let's just jump into it because that's you want to know why I sold it. Well, the facts are this. There was nothing wrong with my unit as far as, despite my gripes, that's, not really gonna affect the way it flies. It's not because I found new issues or there was a problem with my unit, solely because I am trying to be responsible with my finances when making a new purchase. So in order to purchase the next drone, which would be the Mavics, I have to free up some room, some overhead to be able to do that. Being a YouTuber doesn't mean you have unlimited funds. It also doesn't give you a pass from everything else that financially binds you in this world. You just have to be responsible. The other thing I don't do with my channel is I don't max out credit cards in order to do reviews, because honestly, unless you're huge, or you just pop off like that, you're probably not going to recoup that money. And I'm not going to parlay a gamble like that just to get views. Doesn't matter to me. However, I do like to see the latest and greatest drones, and in order to keep reviewing them and taking a look at these products, I had to make a decision. Do I keep the Evo? Do I sell the Air? And the Evo had the higher value than the Air. So I made a financial snap decision to do that. I don't really regret doing this. I think it was a good thing. I think I made as many videos as I possibly could with it. I also think that I contributed to the potential release of some firmware fixes. So I feel pretty good about what I've contributed to the community, and I'm going to still contribute. We still have our Autel Robotics Evo group that I'm going to maintain and monitor. And then as Autel creates new products, I will go ahead and pick those up as well, just like any drone. But it's surely a business decision that I had to make. But it doesn't mean I'm backing away from the community. It just means I'm going to keep a close eye on it and wait for more things to pop off, And if anybody says, oh, you're doing this for views, well, duh, this is YouTube. You put a video out for it to be viewed. The fact is, guys, I really don't make a lot off this channel. I've been pretty private about that, but I really don't make anything off this channel. Just because you put a video out there doesn't mean you're going to make money. Crossed the 5,000 mark by now at this point, so thank you very much for each and every one of you that have subscribed and participated in all the videos, comments, whatever. Some people have asked, well, how can you continue to support me? Well, it's really simple. Things that you can do that don't cost you a dime is just like, comment on a video, share it with somebody who you think needs to see this video. If you ever feel so inclined that you want to help the channel financially, I do have a link down below for Buy Me a Coffee. Honestly, I am powered by caffeine and donuts 90% of the time. So if you want to help me out, buy me a coffee. That's the best you can do for me. Other than that, I'm going to continue to make the right financial decisions for this channel and for the hobby so I can contribute to the community. And we're not just talking about, are you an Autel fan or a DJI fan? When you have a drone, you're part of a larger picture. And I think it's important that we all remember that no matter what you fly, we're all flying the same air, and it's super important that we all fight to keep this hobby alive. So whatever we have to do that is where my head will be going forward. Anyways, I look forward to bringing you coverage of the Mavic Pro this week, and I look forward to getting my hands on with it and then finally getting it in-house and actually flying it. But to all my Autel fans, I will continue to support Autel, and hopefully an Autel ends up back in my lap very soon. Maybe. We'll have to see. Anyways, stay original, guys.